am I hearing Mabel?
It's the one.
She is your wife.
Amen.
See,
Jam say be man am netin onye mi kunu on boa me ntimi ncho me ho firi no enti me doubt it because the real no ye me no
hey, it's what happen. Satam na won woe. And I make a trust that bear ma winning it one. When you kunu.
Yes, mentie.
Wentie.
Since then.
And I acquire stay baby. And I acquire pay free mobile. Sister, yes say. And you will never day. Reverse calendar hunu se mijina Friday. Friday muna mijina no. Na me hunu se eya anopa. Eya 11:1 pepepe. Me hunu te se de wode eya apro na wode mesi ade. Ena me hunu te se de wo kan bibi te se banku. Ena me hunu se wo kan banku wie ya no. Ena me hunu te se de wo prepare eya grano soup. Ena me hunu te se de
Opa we se ba kaba yesama. Omani sejano.
Mede me handkerchief be ma na wodi akofie honhom na wo fie ho no obefiri wo.
Amen.
Wonim sai kwasia da ebe handkerchief a mede mama mi be ye bi ho adwuma na ma cha amankofo.
Michael
ya pese ye kyerɛ mu sɛ adom ne ye adwuma ya pese ye mamu hunu tumi ho mfaso power ɛno na kyerɛ sɛ asɔre ya asɔre ya power nim. The same thing as school. Obi akoko suade wo school. Ti asori apa wanim at say school. The ma asafone ya asafone tumi a wo behunu wa asafone. One not say din with grace. Grace.
Brownie.
Why the grace? Eya wa. Me ti grace mensa. Grace mensa. Boba mo sama commercial komo anani dai Mommy,
my God,
you're sensitive. Me pesa me kwa. What ya na? O mama wo say 8. Munyina mo papa ye baako. Munyina mo papa ye baako. Wo wa penso ye pese eku eni mase. Me pese me boa wo.
my God.
Ewurade be fam so aboa wo ne.
Amen.
Hwe. Wini mo bi afa ne Dominic. Mate Dominic ejei. Woni ne na wo ho. Me kire wade bi. Spiritually no. Ewurade kan se bi a kire bi say.
Prophesy.
Maame we say be fa nyinsan. But say nyinsan no. Omo de be fa so amani wu aba.
My God, God. Power.
It is a wunya nyem ya no wa hyase na wo pompa ye sa. Nyinsan be na de ni wu beba. Nyinsan be na de ni wu beba. Nyinsan be na de bi be koi. Na nyinsan be na e betwa me nkwan na so.
My God.
Nyinsan bi di wani mu ba. Oma sese de sunsum se emra mefa won kwa emfiri won se. Abra wa ba dem hai ewrade so obeje.
Amen. Bowen Sam. And somebody saw
one bar was 7 years. I'm a show. Mommy, you know abofra bi say princess abofra we enya wo ne bema we na hia na munyin say no na mom oye bema foforo sunsun wiase na behunu te say de princess ne papa ne ba wa kwem na we good pa but na edu baby na woye no say because wo hunu say wafa nyinsen no wafo anya hwi piem enti na nabusuafo ne pe wa asem mo na no mo pressure boy ne senka won ware but wan ware dem ma wakohia no yi ono so nabusuafo pe wa asem titru necessarita o pe wa asem what person we your wedding? What person we worry? Macho. Me ma wa kwankyere bia mo aye sa honhom na wodi wachi. Na of frustrated relationship we be free wachi akọ.
Amen.
Wonim sa abrantia no ho. Sa wo oware wa obenye sika bebre because sika twa ho hia. Amen. Hwade bia me hunu. Because sika twa no ho hia na mahunu ti se de one girl na ware. Omo ware wieye. Na watena fie 1 week pe. No was sorry, no man who saw which in us as so, which in us as so, or more too far, baby, and no more who gold. Why are they? Why your mind said you must now, Radia can't let me say, Sika ye dear, our home. But there is a spirit fighting you, Michael. I didn't put you. On pesa wade kwa baby because me hunu say obi ne nsa si ne boka say so no grace no be wade pa agese mawu ye pese ya to wanamo no rough na wawo ha na wawo ha na wawo ha na nioma say but enne o be pie wade hunufo na he
yes yes
wo ba won sama ka me shan ko
power o mani nyina ni no
peja nsa ko so ka say yesu ya da wase Mami me de me handkerchief be ma na wodi akofie honhom na wo fie ho no obefiri wo
amen
me ma 2 weeks pepepe wo betie yie nka wo fie ho na ya ka kira me say obebubu atamfo de o magufom
amen
na wa hye wani monyam biem na wo mmere te se de wo ma me breye
yes
wo mmere te se de ho ai breye
me ma me
yes yadi akwankyere hu akwam kwasiada ebai odinfo me yesa hankini ho adwuma memo nipa bi amantal wo ba aboa ho se wo bekuta 100 cedis me de mantle ne be hye obi ansem na ma kyerɛ se fa ko ye wei fa ye wei wo ko interview a fa kuta wonsem wo kokodu ho a wo kasa de wo beka no eno na wo mbetie wo de kwa akwaje ne omapa why am I hearing Mabel
is the one?
Because the picture is mentioning Mabel. The picture is mentioning Mabel.
Yes, it's the one.
And I am hearing Mabel Sasu.
This is the one.
Yes, sir.
Who is she? She's around. Wait, Mama come.
Oh, Senior.
Sunday.
Professor Macho.
Madam, have you mentioned your name to me? Have you mentioned it to my boys?
no, please.
Your picture was mentioning the name Mabel Sasu.
Power.
I see. She is your wife.
Amen.
See, for you to believe that I am not just predicting anyhow, and I'm speaking to you as a major prophet.
Oh, yes.
See, the very day that the whole occasion will start, in the morning when you are going out, you will meet the brother Martin Sasu.
Ha! Oh, bow some can say my Jesus. And somebody say. If you are beyond the dark road, Yanya sorry. Why be a mama?
Mama, be on your feet. Have you heard this name, Daniel?
That's his brother.
Huh?
That's his brother.
Your brother. I'm hearing Daniel Baga. You know someone by name Baga, but you used to call the person the Baga.
Yes, I know him.
You know him.
Power, Samo. Power. Yes, Lord.
Mama, don't channel your attention to anywhere.
Okay, Daddy.
Don't give attention to anyone
Okay, Daddy.
in the whole world. This man is your husband.
Power, Samo. Yes, Power, Samo. Hiya. Mental.
See,
My God.
the person that I mentioned the name, do you know that he's also called Daniel?
Yes, please. He's
You know.
brother. Yes, please.
So I'm not talking about his brother. I'm talking about that guy.
My God.
Don't let anyone waste your time.
Okay, Daddy.
The moment you meet a prophet and he gives you prophetic advantage, go by it,
Mental.
and you are good to go.
Power, Samo. And somebody shot.
See, the marriage wouldn't come on this year.
My God.
It will be working next year. And I am seeing some friends from Jirapa Nursing, St. Joseph Nursing Training College.
That's my
Huh?
school. My school.
That's your school. So your friends will be coming to join your wedding.
Amen.
Amen. Power, Samo. Jesus. And somebody shot. Bonnie.
So whilst you are speaking today, a prophet will be speaking tomorrow today.
Oh, yes.
That makes us a prophet.
Oh, yes.
So I'm giving you confirmation. Don't channel your attention to anyone. Don't even, respond to anyone. From now going, don't give attention to anyone.
Okay, Daddy.
Let your focus be on this man.
Amen.
And this man that you are seeing today like this, it will get to a time you will be proud to call him as your husband.
Amen.
Amen. Power, Samo.
Because God is about to use him as a vessel.
Amen.
Chai,
My God.
baby, this is your husband. And God has already ordained it.
Amen.
And it has been configured in spiritual realm already.
Hiya.
And so when you are searching for your better half, this man is your better half.
Amen.
And you are good to go. It shall be well.
Amen.
It shall be well.
Amen.
That man that I was talking about, Daniel Baga, the Baga, do you know him?
Yes, please.
You know him.
I know him.
You know him.
Yes.
After church, come. I will tell you something.
Okay, Daddy.
You get to
It's
know
a
that you
minister.
are wasting your time somewhere. You are not supposed to be wasting your time anyhow. Once you know this man is your husband, adeɛ bi ekuta wo bia wadwentwe wo bi bia bɛwieyɛ.
Amen.
Because Awurade akyerɛw sɛ daakye adeɛ sei ɛna da w'anim yɛ dɛ ɛtwɛn wo.
Power, Samo. Jesus.
You wanted to verify if this man is indeed your husband.
It's true that that's why.
So you started checking some other prophets and the prophetess.
Ha.
You met a certain prophetess on social media from Nigeria. Peace, prophetess Peace.
It's true.
Ororo Mama.
It's true.
And you wanted to verify if this man is your
It's
husband.
true.
Yes,
Yes, I'll confirm it.
It is time.
It has been confirmed.
Yeah.
And so you don't have to waste your time. Don't go and ask any prophet about what I'm telling you.
My God.
I am telling you, I am gifted. God has graced me with a supernatural power.
Amen.
When we are talking about prophetic, when you get here and I confirm something, don't waste your time. We are having the blue sheet, the pink sheet of your life.
Oh, yeah.
Simple.
Yeah, yeah.
Peja onsa gospel. Peja. Yɛbɛyɛ ho adwuma na mewie a mabie adanseɛ pono de ato hɔ na mahwɛ adanseɛ bɛbɛ fie ha ɛdɔn ne duru sɛ yɛsom nyame ɛwɔ honhom mu ɛne deɛ yɛ nokura mu.
ɔdɔfoɔ nyɛma kɛseɛ na nyankopɔn yɛ me nua bɛrima yi ka asɛm bi gu m'asom hɛ na ɛyɛ me sere mo a moba asɔre a nyankopɔn yɛ bi ma mo a na matena fie no monyɛ kɛfo Munya careful now, Ansha. Minya more cover the Ogyaba ministry. Dear Nancy.
Yema Bible, see. Yema Bible, see what my blabber now. A yam one, me journal cram and tiasi. Now, sometimes it drew be a Christopher. As what be Bible, a bay a blabum, a bay alpha. Last year, and I'm a day near Mamuno at the bar. I put a jaha, a born pie. Now, Bakundi can buy, I am a Jumasa. Me bon pa catch you, I said, Radimum scam me a man, Casama Juma. Now, in fact, Radian so the buy. Radian in my bro. Now, Fiddy, Miss Akai and Mija Haba. Even Pona, a woman Tim was a bit dear dance here. I shall Radian Yamna, a Kenya for Francis. And so, Mentimiama. Apa, Mentimiama. And now, near me, so Jigui. Near my Jiguiano. And I the kite say no. I was a messiah and samba. Now we were dancing here as a midi and so mintimini until I was a messamba. And I ja, the two men, the two nanim, or Mamma Quanchire, me ye, me conyanka fee, a quay, there was a me bia. In fact, Anche and do 2 weeks cry, and his answer sounds so picky. A picky, Safidi. Maybe I'm a year, Jumano bia, me call software. Ebia because of war akoto na duane bi biem ye meka to aso na bisa de to so mienu oba enwa asetan so me de baaye no Nyankopon so ya adom amo no wanka setan so ye den esan so baaye na mu say yes ha me baaye no ana sa ni manyina ekoso but as what de na o setan so mbeda awurade ase e kan de wa ye de amami but ni nyina mintimi meye but another day I was say a camisa was a mebeye na me de shawrade enumunyam
Enti bo se wo bi hwe na se wabahada na awurade ye bia ma nyema koyi na ne wura fi se wo ba be bom paye wo ha obehia Nyankopon onam Nyankopon nam ne difo so eboa ye ma nyema koyi na se nipa no wagya na otifie efutuo be na ode man
efutuo ndo ma obia otie me ne se e was oba no be dia dance here se oba ye papa frɛ se wan flo e na obi sade ba mu men ka se ompa e bona obɛbɔ ye na Nyankopɔ atie e ya dom atifie ha no adom o papa no so no e na ebi aso so e na mo obi sade e den aba mu e na no Yesu Kristo ko bɔ mpa ye ma ayalefo no omu nyina te dai ba kompa na bɛda ase o se na dia ka no wa imfa diaka no wenfa de bi mentra mayenfa wonka diaka no na yasa de wukuram de de ama wunyina ye beje frumsam e de ama de obedi adanse no ba ko no obedi adanse no ye beje de wo nyina de ama no enti bebi awo bi a wutem bia wo se oba no obedi adanse se wo fie e na direction bi papa ye direction bi wo TV so e na wo gidi e na wo ye bi na ai ye open e ba mu de mawo e wo se wo ba e bedi adanse e hye awurade di animunyam
Sa Friday way na ketwa se BBC
my God
said ya me ya beje dia hunu so de hunufo no ikasa
measure
honhom na ba fia wo se obekọ so confusion sa akopem se sa relationship we so beba wiye
my God
enti wono na ware enti wono na tifie ho ma reverse calendar hunu se mi gina Friday mu na mi gina no na ma hunu se eya anopa eya 11:1 pepepe ma hunu te se de wode eya aburo na wode mesi ade ena ma hunu te se de wo ka bibi te se banku ena me hunu se wo ka banku wiye no ena me hunu te se de wo prepare eya grano soup ena me hunu te se de
Upa we sema kaba yesama omani sema measure no size
mission command na minya me pesa adom na teme so me de boa wo wa ho keka no wo fom ti majai
yes sir my God
me di me pro na ma wo di kofie e silence atanfo now was set record wo mu fie ho
amen
wo shekawa
every be a cheme bahana that was and I catch me say me ba ne papa no o ka kire me say be ma na me ne tenta na me ne ne moye o ka kire me say be ma na me ne te no onye mi kunu omboa me ntimi nto me ho firi no enti me doubt it because the real no oye me no
hey it what happen Satam na wonwoe ena me ka tro say be ma woni ne te wo no wonye wu kunu
yes mentie
wentie
since then
ana akoye stay bia bi ana akola pie firi mu bae sister ya say ene wonade adia wo bi pe bia tie ni o
ene wonne
hey winim say enkofo bebra omoto esem so omote nsem bi say yankomoto esem
yes
da hwe say ya hye wo koma ka cho say mehunu say woni be mbe bi sei be ma no onye wukunu hwe say wo ba be bo trade and waja ho woni na wo ba ko eja princess ya ma no okwa na wo ka say wo bai na me kind wo tie ya anko be bon one kensida yensi afei enkom sha san tofo
oh yes
ye wo hia no yi o pesa wo ware
pachan ono sese oba ho oba ye no enye meme ho asem ka no de bae ache ono so no oba foforo ne wo ho no nti asem na de bae na dwuma ho asem na de bae ose ono di nkomorie ya wo sori ya na ka se onjina ho no bisa ne se ne yere ya owe eno se me yere ya me oba me ne ti no ondi ya odi ajoa no se ko onima akohwehwe wo yere ya ni ehwe u TV say ya me ne ti wo hwe program say ya na ka chem say eh woni me say Ogyaba ka chem say me ko no ho nya wie ho asem kra na me de koye e ba de say otimi ka chem say me yere ya owe say na wo so wo hye baabi e na me so me ne nam baabi
ya kada ache sabo mo ka sa agro ni edio
sir indeed
wey na wono na aba na woni obi nete wo na maka se wo yire ya akona kohwehwe no wo se de me ne nete ya mfre ne ya na de woni nete na sem na me ka sanka me ka cho se ya de woni nete e ya de na ade a eben wo ye sanka se kohwehwe ade eben wo no ye se kona kohwehwe not knowing you say sana ya no ya dey o se baby na wono so ya no so ya kan asama kire se bemba bi a wo wasting the time onwa ni free ho ono so di agro aya kopem se pasese no na asina free sa time ne bepem sese
asino
eya no krepa sanka wutie nkom hye ani di awurade kan anka wu nu ho saa enkom hye for fratofom me se abrantie wewe ni papa vampire bo support no na ka kire ne se emanenfu yujin ka biem
shooting na crown ni ye ejuma
na yedi ni wo ahye yujin sa
my god
mi wuro te said ye yujin na crash car ewo agogo kwan so my god na boy ne nan akwa baabi na ni tin so da baabi
jesus
abrantie so ye billionaire sika bi edi nani mu ba na after so ma wale awie sika mpo frem bagi boom
my god
boy ni benya sika pa na hisem awom so omunya sika sa omunsi ha da
fa onya hwe
Papa dey me nya sure say ni we be feel that because on the crown dey be on the pressure see me say
oboa
I'm going to feel papa na for
seba meba kumase atonso aputuoja mese kwasiada pe 100 cedis no brafia ha mi yi hankene ba koma fa koye wadwuma fa kodi wudwa fa koye ogalam sei fa koye ade bia wo pe biara ni nyina so abagie se Yesu Kristo no ne awurade na mse ye bewie no enkofo bedi adanse eye kumase atonso aputuoja kwasiada we ya brane ye hia na obehia me a obehu se yes we hia odehunufo no ene ne ba no
odofo ahwe mesi he aha Debi amekame si onyankopɔn nko na nim sɛ adom na bi didi bi achi. So ɔte ase Yesu Kristo ɔkɔ John the Baptist na nkrɔfoɔ kasa tia but otu anamɔ. Hwɛ papa yɛ gyina ɔyɛ sɔfo o. Wanka sɛ me nso me yɛ asɔre nti otu anamɔ ebehu onyankopɔn difo. Ɔde hunufo a onyankopɔn yi na ma ɔman Ghana ani wiase nyina. Na papa yi baayɛ no okohunu odifo 1-on-1. Ɔma na kwankyerɛ sɛ wɔn kɔyɛ natie. Mepɛ sɛ papa nankasa kan. Na wauti a no one say kai say no rade oye ne nyema. Man of God, I welcome you to Ogyaba's ministry.
The Lord bless you. Thank you very much.
All right, so somebody is watching. The person wants to know what the Lord has used the prophet to do in your life.
Prophet Ogyaba is a father, is a mentor, a seer to many nations, not only Ghana. I came and then I think I was supposed to meet him, but it wasn't easy, so I was located and he said meet me. So after I met him 1-on-1, it wasn't like he charged me nothing, and after that he told me go and do this direction and the direction. God want to use you mightily and it will shock your enemies. So after I did that direction, then God took me to another place and I said no, it didn't take time, and then I had a place that we have to go, and then I came back to tell him, I said, Daddy, God has given us a place, but I want to hear from you as a prophet. Though I'm equally a prophet, but I must hear from him. So a prophet also needs another prophet. So after that, he said, go and open. And then he gave me a direction. After I opened, I think that was June. If you see the pictures, these are the pictures that I don't know what happened. He said, when you go, you have a dream. After that dream, that is all. So when I went, it didn't take time. I had a dream. And then he came in the dream, he saw me, that I said, this tree, break the branch. I cut the branch. After that, I saw the place open. And from there, when I went that morning, a woman came, she was blind. For how many, is it 26 years or something? I lay hand, the eyes open.
My goodness. So purposely you came here because of your ministry?
I came here, that was my plan. I just came here purposely for my ministry. And from there, the doors open. Initially, I was struggling. You go to places, they will use you, you go and preach, go to play. Even I don't get much platforms. But from there, platforms open where my own place, I don't know where the church is. It's even far from town. But people still come.
Wonderful. So if there is a man of God watching you, what advice do you have to tell the person?
I want to tell people of Upper West, people of Ghana, and all over, those who are doing or into ministry, they should stand well, because ministry is not for one man, and there is a lot to know, and there is a lot of direction. You need someone to show you, because you remember when Saul and Saul and the servant, they went to, he said, even after all, when Samuel gave them the direction, he said, let your servant move. There is a secret thing I want to show you. Let your servant move, so that I will tell you something. After that, he said, go. And after the direction, remember, he said, he showed him some people. He said, when you go there, you will meet companies of prophets and they will be prophesying. And through that, he said, your mouth will open and there will be a certain spirit that will enter you and you become another man. So, and you will receive what? A new heart. Where you are, you need someone so that he will turn you to another man. I'm aware that you are a man, but you suppose there is some spirit that's supposed to enter you to also be able to operate. People, they don't know you at first until Christ dwells in you. So when something enters you, then people will identify you.
So you are trying to tell them that it is time for them to take steps.
It's time for them to take steps. If not, where you are just struggling. You are struggling. Ministry is not for that. They need to come here, not any other place. I said here,
Kumase,
Abuja, or if they are in Accra, they should go to Madina Bokobi. When they go, they will see power.
God bless you so much.
My mantle, I have received my own. This mantle, as I'm going, is going to be fire for fire.
God bless you, sir. God bless you.
Me say, Emma Eugene drive. Emma Nintanaka. Asama Mikan. That chibi. Obaba bedama se.
Bowen Sam. My God.
Ye nyame ayama branche en kom sedi nyina de huwom ane say memma Eugene and drive abra wotie chire obekum
eno ano no
enye Eugene na hwehwe na kuno
nabi
abrantie ni wo ehye Eugene ne driving mu
Jesus
ayira kusem ewom ne say mahunu te say de Eugene ono ne nan ye de dade ahyem na onenam ho na daache de hye na obenya sika hwefie ono de yakwa hosie no na Eugene de ne nan no saa akofunu ho ama yakosie eye Dominic
my God
for catch that they say Stacy ya say ma hwe kwan ni nyina so so man teta no agogo kwan so omo de ne be hye kumase kwan so
Jesus
last time bi owia no ho ba kumase wan kan kire wo obi na ka kire wo say na ni say we ni pay wa ba kumase oba ya na ade ache na wo nya hint eti na ka won so hwehwe na we no na afra no ka kire say ma te say wa
Bowsam shaho senior
sama ka kire say me na me Stacy ya
omana jiwatu
Beja sa kwa so ka say Yesu ya da wase
omana jiwatu
me fan kom sha ni nko say ya ne yanko ana
okone sa
yanko ne live bi say ana Beja sa kwa so o ka kire ni say me say emane mfu Eugene ka abra onu na etwi Eugene na etwi onwa ne nche ne krankwa na ni wo hye Eugene ne driving ka se bi kire wo yini bi ne ba se agya obai o wadamfo bi otwi moto emane mfu ni moto da emane mfu ni moto na me hu ti se de obai onimade eye visa ne de ne baaye but ne nsa beka visa no obekwa akodu UK kosua de wo ho visa ne beba na visa ne da ne bag
Jesus
na adwene yi atofo
my God
why ne te ye pe na wasere one ne papa asori akọ okọ say o say
yes
afi odru gate ni pe ene wo sign ada be ma o se mpese bi ni twa picture ene me kwai no ni mi twa picture san no de me picture na ko kire na nyonko na me ka say o de ne be hwe wa kunu no o kwai no de ko kire boy ne no hu twiri no because me bo ni din but o twen so after 1 month no frɛ boy no say masa bra ma mentina moto nachi ni amfa ne nam kakra na me hwɛ ade to tena moto nachi no de ne nam ye no ɛna o ma boy no kosi wɔ ne papa ho ɛna o ka kyerɛ ne papa say ma tena moto nachi anya me hwɛ na kyerɛ sɛ asam na me kan ma yɛ dai ma kan kwase asɛm bon sam say hey when hunu wo bia wo bai fo kras ne ye eti me hunu meet na ye ya na woni ho aka kyerɛ wo ɛna wo didi agoro afei na time aduru say so okoje ne visa oboya ya man UK visa ya to ne bag ne papa friend bra be boabo ho bese ne ko wonam kwa so oba na osi wasanwe so o friend nyonko so o men so mbeje chi mi sika bi wasanwe so ne wo ha o so ene ma me mra me bo wachi ne yenko o monam kwa so kwa sanwe so kwa ani mu ha speed ramp bi wo ho ekuri ni se pe na wakuri free moto no so na wakɔhye tipa truck ase na afɔ ne tiri so na atwene na yi ato fam se pepe mfa de omani agro me se ko ka kyerɛ boy no ka kyerɛ nse me ne yɛfrɛ me Dr. Ogyaba no
yes sir metal ayawa no size amana jiwatu
wonim minim Eugene kro but adom na ka kyerɛ me se Eugene bi twi no Eugene bi eye driver ni wonim driving ti ebi wo ho a oma wono ankasa drive yesi wuwo hye ne nsem
my God
wuwo hye ne nsem hey ko ka kyerɛ ne se me se sadia be ya onfa ayam hyehyɛ kase ne awerɛhoɔ ameto ne sister mother mo so wonyi ne ho mfiri mu emane ntena Eugene ka mu abra wono ankasa atwie na Eugene obenya nkwa ono de ye besie no
Jesus
me ma 1 key
my God
I would be winning be ma akoma simple enye dede
agro ne form yes sir agro ne form measure
1 say last 2 weeks na o can out ɛna wotwitwa paano ɛna ade ka ho ɛna wodi si hɔ twɛn ne sɛ ɔmra medi.
My God.
Mistake a woyɛ ne sɛ woka oat no wie wotwitwa paano fa wɔn nsa to so na kasa kyerɛ oat ne ne paano ne sɛ ɔpɛ aduane nam de ma mi wura yi.
My God.
Onye di ne sɛ kim maame nkɔhyɛ ne yam nkɔhyɛ ne nsunu wo pa mo mma na mo ha mo nhyɛ aseɛ mo mpa yɛnwu aduane so mfa ma bɛɛma ɛsene sɛ wato na duro.
Oh yes. Ona safari nyina ko.
Me kyerɛ mo ade a ebetimi agrabo bɛɛma akoma kɛseɛ baako. Mo ankai Isaac ɔka kyerɛ Esau ɛne Jacob ɔsɛ mo nkɔyɛ me kra aduane fa ma me. That means sɛ odi aduane na ewura ne kram ewura ne kram eti wodi aduane ma bɛɛma na wa mmɔmpa yɛ ngu so a wayɛ mistake. Mama muki ana me mama muki.
Ona safari ko.
I am telling you say wo pa kwɔhyɛ aseɛ na yɛ ɛyɛ de no ɔka sɛ ɔmɔma me aduane eni na me kra nhyira wo. That means aduane na mumu susu sɛ yɛdi a ɛkɔ yɛyɛ mu no ɛnte saa. Aduane di nka wura wo honhom mu ansa na ma wa me.
My God.
Enti aduane no edi nka kɔyɛ wo kra ho adwuma.
Jesus.
Ansa na ama wa me.
My God.
Eti sɛ woyɛ saa adeɛ na odidi wie wo pa ma wɔn konkonkonkonkonkonkonko wɔbɛsan aba wo hɔ a.
Amen. And somebody said, and I'm going to say, where you key?
When you're afraid of the uncle.
Oh, yes. Hey,
and now to pomu size there be. They say, we are bear Medriania for one satoso. Cast away or do a triania. A wura whom now come in no good America drop boom.
My God.
Or baby intimacy and I want our bonus Adriana was.
Oh, yes.
Adriana Ade.
So Bowser.
You are here. Out there. And also I can hold to know. Not to Japan, no, not the gum. No, I said another plate. I got us. Oh, yeah, no, I got milk. Was the end of your bar? No, I got some milk and near the aguso.
My God.
Why, anybody, you know, I feel grand and I can now what up.
We are a he.
Mama Muki and I'm a Mamuki.
Mama Yaki, Papa.
Mano, Munina from Santana Mamma say, a free now, Cromo.
Yahoo.